can't get rid of me. I can see we are at 1K. You'll get you a bite. That's what I'm talking about right there. Here you go. I need a prescription. I wanna go higher. Can I sit on top of you? I wanna go where nobody's been. Where nobody's been. Have you ever had fun like this? What's up, y'all? And welcome back to another freaking video. In today's video, we are doing yet again another mukbang. But if you guys did not peep it, go ahead and look around the channel, see if you guys peep anything. I'm gonna give you a couple seconds. Okay, I can't wait no longer. We hit 1K! Yes, y'all, we hit 1K subscribers. I am so grateful and so happy for all of you to be here. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate all y'all support from the bottom of my heart. It means a lot to me. Like, just seeing it is crazy. I can see we are at 1K, y'all. I am so happy and I can't thank y'all enough. In honor of the 1K, I had to run a video back as soon as possible for you guys because what? Ain't no way I'm disappearing now. What do you say? You can't get rid of me. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you're not new here, you already know what's going on. Speaking of it, y'all, I just got the notification. Look at it. In today's mukbang, we are going to be doing Little Caesars. I have Little Caesars, y'all, and I'm so excited because I have the Crazy Puffs. So in total, I have the Crazy Puffs, buffalo chicken, and cheese pizza as well. Disclaimer, I do not eat red meat / pork. So at the end of this video, in honor of my 1K subscribers, we'll be eating some cupcakes with you guys. I have red velvet here just to celebrate and show you guys that I appreciate everything. So yeah, I'm gonna set this food up and then we're gonna get started. I haven't ate all day. We have the Crazy Puffs. I've only had these once, so it's definitely not like I'm trying them, but they definitely are good, so I got them again. Shake that back, baby. Yeah, I have ranch and some marinara. And the pizza, crusty crazy pizza is the pizza for you and me. This reminds me of SpongeBob, the pizza episode. If you're not even know, grab my food and then we're gonna get started. Let's get it! Ow! I'm so happy, y'all. Like, honestly, like, I really did not expect to hit 1K so fast, but it happened, and I'm not complaining. All in all, this honestly reminds me of, like, a little pizza party with, like, little cupcakes, you know, little cake celebrate. So that's what I went for with this vibe. Go ahead, get you a bite. Yes, ma'am. This look a little dry. I should have knew when she said up to 15 minutes for my order to be done that it wasn't going to be fresh, but it's okay. I'm gonna turn the pizza around. And I can leave the sauce right here. Cause baby. I know so many people that talk about Little Caesars pizza. Obviously, if it's fresh, it's not that bad. Like, let's see how flat on my hair. Period. Sometimes I don't like the crust. Sometimes I do. Sometimes I get like the thick, but this is okay. You want some crust too, don't you? One thing I will say, the little Crazy Puffs don't come with sauce. Like, you have to buy the sauce separate, which is so crazy to me because why would y'all do something like that? Like, I can't imagine eating this with no sauce. For the drink today, we have vitamin water, and I also have some ice water here with liquid IV. Me hitting 1K was so crazy to me. Like, I seen it coming, obviously, leading up to 1K, But like once I hit it, it was like, wow. It was a good feeling because I grew so fast. Like all of my growth, especially from this past, I say like 10 months. So it's just so crazy to me, and I'm just so grateful, y'all. Now we're celebrating with a pizza party. Pizza originally comes with 8 pieces. I probably only eat like 3. This piece right here is big. Whoever cut this pizza, you deserve an L. New set. All I can think about is dipping these buffalo wings in this ranch. The little baby wing. This chicken must have been premature. You want some ranch? Cheers. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about right there. Boom. I got 8 wings, but this look like way more than 8 wings, but it's 8, y'all. Don't trip. Yes. Dripping. Y'all a flats or a drummy? Personally, I like flats. But sometimes drums be here. Yeah. But y'all, the buffalo on these wings is crazy. Piece number 2. Into the buffalo ranch. Really should have put my hair up, but it's okay. Yeah. Usually I like when that happens, but the cheese isn't warm, so it's cool. They must have been slow today because this was fresher last time. Fresher isn't even a word, is it? That bite, it was really saucy. Y'all put ranch on your pizza? I literally got this whole pizza to myself. All of this. I'm so happy you guys enjoy my content, and like I be seeing you guys' comments, I be reading them, I be responding, especially to the people who let me know like you're gonna be something. When I tell y'all, it just warms my heart so much. So thank you guys. Acai, blueberry, pomegranate. This is probably one of the best vitamin waters. Did not go how I wanted it to, but it's okay. I'm about to tie this hair back. This hair is about to irritate me, y'all. Keep getting in my face. You eating with me? What you got? Okay. We're gonna do one more little baby piece of pizza. Probably like one more wing. Then we're gonna eat this cupcake. I'm trying not to fold my pizza on. I don't know why. I am tearing this pizza up. It doesn't stand a chance. Still gotta look good while eating. You know, it's catching up to me. I'm getting full. Finish it for me. I'm over here dipping on my pizza and my marinara. Like, I don't need this for my other 2 puffs. One more wing. Can you guess which kind? It's a flat. Woo, baby. That was needed. That was well needed. Let me some water. Okay, y'all. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to eat this cupcake. I'm not going to lie. Eating buffalo wings and having cupcakes right after is crazy to me. But we're going to do it. Super excited to try them. They look so good. They look so good. These cupcakes are filled with what? I don't know. Da, 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 da. Y'all, so I have one for each and every one of you guys. So I'm going to get y'all's out and I'm going to give it to y'all. Here you go. Excited to eat this. It looks so good. I could break off the bottom half and make it like a little sandwich. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna just eat it how it is. So let's go, y'all. Cheers to 1K and to many more to come. Let's get it. This is definitely what I would call a bittersweet moment. Okay, this is good. Why didn't I buy these before? Like, it's falling. That was really sweet. We're just gonna keep this right here. That was good. I'm not gonna lie. I can only count with like one hand where I ate red velvet, so this is definitely a good. I like it. 10 out of 10. And that will be all that I have for you guys today. Thank you guys for tuning into today's video. Make sure you guys go ahead and give this video a like, hit the subscription button, and don't forget to leave a comment. In the description, you guys can find the links to all of my social medias to follow me on there. Once again, I can't thank you guys enough for 1K subscribers, and I just hope you guys know that I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you. So with all that being said, make sure you guys stay tuned for the next video from me, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.